First, let's do the exercise. And now let's do the etude. Hey guys, thanks for watching this etude. I really appreciate your time and I appreciate your attention. Also, I wish to invite you to my Patreon page where I'm posting a walkthrough of this etude. It's also going to be posted on YouTube membership site as well. Exact same thing. The only difference is Patreon has a way to upload a PDF of this etude. So if you need music, you can go to Patreon, join, and you'll have access to all the videos that I post. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you very, very much. I hope to see you in the next video.